There are endangered species found all around the world. They come in all different shapes and sizes. A plant or an animal that can be found not just in land but also in marine biome as well. To be endangered is where a certain species is almost extinct. It means their entire species is no longer to exist, and one of the endangered species is what we call the pleasure tortoise. This pleasure tortoise is endemic in Madagascar. It has a high dome carapace, golden yellow in young and juveniles, with strongly demarcated growth rings, which can be counted to age young up to about 10 to 20 years of age. This species inhabits a mixed habitat of bamboo thicket, sandy palm, savanna, and dense scrub shrub. This mixed habitats provides refuge from predators including men, bamboo and scrub shrub, nesting sites, savanna, and food shrub in what is otherwise an extremely arid and inhospitable environment. Savanna and the bamboo thicket are a far-dependent transitional habitat. They generally occur during wet season and are less intense than anthropogenic fires set during the dry season. The females leaving the denser areas of bamboo and scrub to nest in an open and vegetated areas during the wet season. The distribution of the pleasure tortoise is restricted to an area of 16,000 hectares of mixed bamboo scrub, shrub thickets, and palm savanna around Bali Bay on the west coast of Madagascar. Until very recently, 5 remaining fragmented subpopulations exist within the confines of Bali Bay National Park. Pleasure tortoises are herbivorous. Their diet consists of many types of fruits, leaves, and the feces of some animals including lemurs and the introduced bush pigs. They eat the leaves of shrubs but rarely eat bamboo leaves, which can contain high levels of cyanide. The juvenile pleasure tortoises rarely feed during the dry season and often undergo an ice starvation period. Adults will continue to move and feed now mainly on dry leaves but at much reduced rates than during the wet season. Female pleasure tortoises mature at 15 to 20 years of age, males at around 20 to 25 years. Females tend to migrate out of the bamboo shrub or dry forest to lay eggs in more open areas. The nesting period stretches from January until June. Eggs will usually undergo a diapause with cooler temperatures triggering development when temperatures rise again. The incubation period varies in the wild from 197 to 281 days, with a mean incubation period of 237 days. Artificial incubation can shorten incubation significantly to 144 to 178 days. The IUCN classifies pleasure tortoise status as critically endangered. There are only about 400 that remains in Madagascar. One predator of a pleasure tortoise is the introduced African bush pig, which kills eggs and juveniles. Rarely, snakes and birds prey on eggs and young tortoises. Humans also because they hunt tortoises for the illegal pet trade or to eat, and they are responsible for bush fires which result in habitat destruction. Since they take a long time to mature sexually and reproduce, populations take a long time to recover with a growth rate of only 1% each year. In addition to its IUCN listing, the pleasure tortoise is now protected under the national law of Madagascar and listed in Appendix I of sites prohibiting international trade in the species. The Dara Wildlife Conservation Trust created project performs research on the tortoise and develops conservation plans designed to integrate local communities to protect them and their habitat. Local people have participated in conservation activities such as building fire breaks to prevent wildfire spread and the creation of a national park that will help protect the tortoises and its habitat.